Today I'm going to be focusing on common mistakes us plus size women make. Hi guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be focusing on common mistakes us plus size women make. Now before we get started, I am in no way, shape or form saying that if you are doing this then you're wrong. If you are confident and comfortable in what you're wearing, then keep on wearing it. These are just common mistakes that I was ignorant to, and these are just things that I've learned along the way in trying to dress my body the best way that I can, and I thought I would share those with you. The first one is hiding your body under baggy clothes. Now you would think that this would have the opposite effect. I mean, if you're plus size, you're thinking, you know what, the thing for me to do is to hide my body or wear baggy clothes, that way people cannot see my body. But in effect, wearing baggy clothes just adds volume and makes us look bigger than what we actually are. There is a misconception that wearing baggy clothes will make you look slimmer, but in fact it has the opposite effect. Hiding our bodies under baggy clothes just makes us look bigger than what we actually are. There's nothing wrong with embracing your curves. Instead of hiding under baggy clothes, wear clothes that skim your body and show off your shape, because we are all beautiful and we need to show our shape off. If you are wearing something that's slightly oversized, then maybe cinch your waist with a nice belt. The second one is only wearing black. Now I'm not gonna lie, I am a fan of black. I think black can look very chic. I think black is very slimming, but we don't have to hide ourselves in all black clothing. There's nothing wrong with embracing a bit of colour. Don't be afraid to inject a little colour into the outfit, you know, spice it up a bit, whether it's red earrings, whether it's a coloured belt or coloured shoes, or even a bright coloured top. But if colour isn't your thing, try to go for dark hues like your browns, your navies, your greys if you really don't like colour. Another common mistake we make is focusing too much on trends. Now, I do like looking at the trends and seeing what's going to be trendy. I like looking at trends as much as the next person, but I don't focus too much on having just trendy pieces. Most trends don't flatter the majority of people, whether you are plus size, small or in between. I focus on having basics, like having my essentials. That would be your t-shirts, your jeans, all of your basics down before you start focusing too much on trendy pieces. If you want to focus on trends, then focus on accessories instead. I know the colour purple or mauve is quite a trendy colour this season, so maybe just think about buying a purple shoe or a purple handbag, accessories with purple earrings. You know, try to stay in trend by accessorizing. Another common mistake we make is wearing cap sleeves. I think it's important to pick pieces that flatter your shape irrespective of your size, but cap sleeves just bring attention to the biggest part of the arms. The attention is going to be on your arms right there. Cap sleeves accentuates the arms and actually makes them look bigger because they cap you right there, so the focus is going to be right there. Instead, try wearing longer sleeves or 3/4 length sleeves, because they then bring the focus downwards to the slimmest part of the arm. Another common mistake I see plus size women making is sticking to one size across different brands. It's sad to say this, but clothes do vary between different brands. For example, I might be 18 to 20 in one brand, but then when I go to another one, my 18 to 20 will feel more like a 16. A mistake that I used to make was just sticking to my general size across all brands. Don't be afraid to try different sizes. I know it can seem quite scary. Oh, I'm 18 to 20 one size, and another brand I might have to size up to a 22 or 24. We shouldn't be afraid. In fact, instead we should focus on our measurements and taking our measurements, our bust, waist and hip, and then seeing how our measurements fit into the clothes that we want to buy, and then hopefully pick garments that fit you right, that are going to be the right size for you. Another mistake we make as plus size women is only sticking to online shopping. Now, I'm not going to lie, online shopping is convenient. I online shop the majority of the time, but we shouldn't be afraid to go into the store. And even when we go into the store, we shouldn't be afraid to go into the changing rooms and actually try the clothes on. Trust me, I get it, I understand, I do the same, but sticking to online shopping can be a mistake. As plus size women, it's really important to find the right fit, and nothing beats actually trying the garment on and knowing right then and there whether it fits you, whether it makes you feel good, whether you look good. That way you are less likely to return something if you already tried it on and you know it fits you well and it makes you feel good. Now, the next mistake, oh my god, this is kind of a pet peeve for me, but I know this can be really tempting, and that is wearing leggings as outerwear, or wearing leggings out basically. I know leggings are comfortable and I do wear leggings around the house, but I just think leggings are not very flattering, and especially if you're wearing them outside. Leggings don't really slim the body down. Instead, if you want to get the kind of comfort and feel of leggings, that kind of look of having leggings, try wearing skinny jeans instead. They are just gonna flatter you better than leggings. Leggings tend to just show everything, all of the bumps and lumps, and especially if you're wearing them outside. I just think leggings are one of those comfort kind of things that you should just stick to wearing in the house and not treat it as trousers or outerwear. This is just my opinion. Another mistake I see plus size women doing is not wearing shapewear. Now, this was a mistake I was doing all the time. I put my hands up, I really do, but I just found shapewear to be really uncomfortable, to be just an extra step that I didn't want to do. But the shapewear has changed so much. You can find seamless shapewear, you can find shapewear that is only designed for your tummy. If your tummy is your problem area, you can find shapewear that goes from your knees all the way to under your bust. I just think shapewear just adds a little bit of smoothing and lifting effect, and that we shouldn't be shy to try shapewear, especially if you're wearing something that's a little bit tight fitting, that's a little bit of an unforgivable material. To be honest with you, shapewear looks great under anything, and it just adds a little bit of, you know, just a little bit of smoothing. I don't think if you wear shapewear that you are cheating necessarily. No, you are just enhancing what you already have and just smoothing everything out. Another mistake I see plus size women making is over accessorizing, wearing the wrong accessories for their body. What I say by that is, because we are plus size, we need to have accessories that kind of fit our body and enhance that. For example, if you have a small bag, it just comes off looking a little bit too small, maybe on a plus size body. So I think we need to accessorize the right way. So don't try to over accessorize either, but just pick pieces that are going to flatter your shape. My favorite accessory has to be belts. I love belts because I love cinching my waist, and I love, you know, just drawing attention to the smallest part of me, my waist. So pick accessories that flatter your shape for you. It could be a hat, it could be a really nice bracelet, it could be some really nice earrings, but try not to over accessorize. Just pick enough to just draw attention to the right places that you want to accentuate. Another mistake we plus size women make is being afraid of heels. Now, I don't know if it's something subconscious in us that says, oh my god, I am plus size, I'm heavy, the heels won't support my weight, or I don't know what it is, but we shouldn't be afraid to wear heels. Heels actually elongate the legs, so they make the legs look longer, and they help our posture and help us stand a little bit taller. So I think heels are really, really great. It's just a question of picking the right kind of heels. Try going for a block heel instead of a stiletto heel. The block heel is going to be better because it's going to help you feel more stable. Those were the common fashion mistakes I see plus size women making, including myself. So I am in there. I've made these mistakes. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any mistakes you think I've missed. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, then do subscribe for more new videos on fashion, style. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.